Hey, fifth grade math. Look, we are in page 75 today. And I don't believe you're on page 76. I think you're only in page 75. Let me double check that. Yeah, because tomorrow's page 76. Okay, so we're in a one page today, and it's all stuff that you know. It's just a review of fractions. So I'm going to go over some stuff with you today and then let you do the page by yourself, okay? So make sure you have the page out so you know what we're talking about and you feel confident, okay? It says on the first part that we're going to be talking about improper fractions. Look at number 1. Read the instructions. I'm not going to read it for you because you guys are big kids, okay? Read the instructions, but it's talking about improper fractions. Then if you look at number 3, it's talking about whole numbers, fractions, and mixed numbers. And then look at number 6. It's talking about proper fractions. So if you don't remember those words, then today's page might be a little crazy, right? So let's go over some of these words. Remember that an improper fraction is what? Anybody remember? Mario, what's an improper fraction? An improper fraction is one that has the numerator bigger than the denominator. Okay, so for example, 4/2. That's an improper fraction, right? You can't have the denominator bigger than the numerator. You got to do something with that. So it's improper. Okay, look at this one. Abiel, what's a proper fraction? A proper fraction is one that the numerator is what? Smaller than the denominator. So a proper fraction would be 1/4. Okay? Danielito, what's a mixed number? Mixed number. It's obviously mixing something. What's it mixing? A whole number with a fraction. Very good. Okay, so like, Dueno, give me an example of a mixed number. Okay, I'm going to say 2 1/3 because I can't read Dueno's mind, but I'm sure he gave me a mixed number, and I'm going to say 2 1/3 because there's a whole number and a fraction mixed together to make a mixed number, okay? And then, what's a whole number? Frankie? I feel like I can read Frankie's mind. I feel like Frankie's going to just give me a number. Be like, that's a whole number. 5, right? I don't know if that's the number you said, Frankie, but a whole number is just a big number, okay? I mean, just a normal number. 2, 1, 5, 7. Those are whole numbers, okay? No fractions involved. So here we go. Ethan, the number 4. What number is that? Out of our choices right here, what number is a 4? Whole number, thank you so much. Andres, what number is 5/3? What kind of number is that? 5/3. Let's put a whole number. We put a W. What's 5/3? Improper fraction. Excellent. Okay, because it's the numerator is bigger than the denominator. I'm gonna put a box around that one. Not because I'm telling you what to do in number 3. No, it's for something else. What is 1 1/2, Emiliana? What number is 1 1/2? Mixed number. Good job, Chica. Mixed number. Okay. What is 3/4? Oscar, 3/4. Proper fraction. Excellent job. 3 2/3, Saphir. What's 3 2/3? Mixed number. Excellent. Woohoo. What's 5/8? Mario? 5/8. Proper fraction. Good, good, good. And what is 16/4? Ethan? 16/4. Improper fraction. Excellent job, okay? Improper fraction. So we had 2 improper fractions, okay? 2 that had the numerator bigger than the denominator. Look at number 7. What do you do with improper fractions? Look down at your thing on number 7. It says change these improper fractions to mixed or whole numbers. Okay, change these improper fractions to mixed or whole numbers. So what do? You have to divide improper fractions. Okay, so let's take 5/3. We put the little number outside, which is the denominator, and the big number inside, which is the numerator. 3 into 5 is 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. We put our 2 right here, and what do we put on the bottom? Habían 3. This thing right here, right? So your mixed number is 1 2/3, okay? Then look right here on 16/4. We put 4 on the outside, 16 on the inside. How many times does 4 go into 16? 4 times, right? 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. And our answer is 4 because there's no fraction as your remainder. Okay, and that's all you do. So guys, that is your lesson today. So let's just go through it. Look at number 1. Improper fractions are what? Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Make sure you read those instructions. Number 2, read these instructions, but this is easy, okay? I want to see that you guys did this well. Or that you asked me if you were confused, and don't be scared to ask me, okay? Do not be scared to ask me. I'm not gonna, if you text me and you say, Miss Jessica, I don't understand number 2, what do you think I'm gonna say? ¿Qué le pasa? Como que usted no entiende number 2? No, I'm not going to say that at all. I'm going to say, okay, here, look, this is how we do it, okay? So don't worry about it. Number 3, circle the whole numbers, números enteros, box the fractions. Fractions are your proper fractions. And underline the mixed numbers. That's your whole numbers with your fractions, right? Look at number 4. This is one I'm going to do a few of them with you, right? Let's do a few number 4s together. Reducing our fractions. Let's do letter A, B, and C together. A, B, C. Remember what we have to do. We have to find the greatest common factor between the numerator and the denominator and then divide. So one thing I've watched Danielito do is as soon as he sees that these have to be reduced, he goes and puts his little division symbols, which is like a super smart strategy, okay? So look at 4 and 8. What's our factors of 4? I'm going to do this one for you, and then I'm going to ask you a few questions. 4 is 1, 4, 2, 2, right? 1 times 4, 2 times 2. What's 8? 1 and 8, 2 and 4, right? So what is the greatest common factor between those two? 4. So we do 4 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Remember, if we can't think of all those numbers in our head, we just go 1, 4, 2, 1, 8, 2, 4. And then we go, what's in common? Oop, the 4, and that's how we know what to divide by, okay? So here we go. Give me my factors of 3, Frankie. 1, 3. Give me my factors of 9, Dueno. 1, 9, and 3. What is the greatest common factor, Ethan? 3. Good job. So we're going to divide by 3. What is our new denominator, Mario? New fraction, sorry. 1 over 3. Excellent job. Look up here. What are our factors of 2, Andres? 1 and 2. What are our factors of 4, Safir? 1, 4, and 2. Good job. What is our greatest common factor, Emiliana? 2. So, Emiliana, what is my new fraction? 1 over 2. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you do reducing fractions, right? There we go. Less than 10 minutes and you're out of here to do your homework. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.